Top 6 tips for staying active throughout the day boost your energy and improve your health. Start the day with exercise. Even a short workout can jumpstart your metabolism and energy levels for the day ahead. Take active breaks. Instead of sitting for extended periods, take short active breaks throughout the day, like stretching or going for a walk. Use a standing desk. Standing desks can help reduce the amount of time you spend sitting during the workday. Take the stairs. Instead of taking the elevator or escalator, take the stairs for a quick and easy way to add more activity into your day. Walk or bike instead of driving. Consider walking or biking to work, school, or errands instead of driving to add more physical activity into your routine. Find active hobbies. Engage in activities like hiking, dancing, or sports that you enjoy and can do regularly to increase your daily activity level.